Well, let us discuss about the function. Total function, we have already understood that sum. You can select it like this. Okay, see the selection is covered till total. Then you can click on this. It will automatically write the formula or the function. You can see sum function is used. Fine. So either you can click this one or you can type it manually. Then you can drag it down to find the total for others. Now in case of average, there is average function. Either you can write down the average function yourself. It is giving you the hint. Okay. Or you can click here. You can click here to get the function names. Fine. And purpose of that function is displayed here. Okay. So average you are using. Fine. And from here then you can tell the range of the cell that for which you need the average. Now when you are finding the average, remember, don't select the total part. Otherwise you will not get the correct answer. Fine. Now here the average function name is not correct. It is saying that name function error is there. Okay. So name error is there. You can see here A, B plus average is written. This one is wrong. So you will have to write only average. Now you see it is correct now. So you can drag it down and find out the average for everybody. Fine. Then maximum. For finding out the maximum, one way, if you don't know the name of the function, you click here and find out max. You can see return the largest value in a set of values. So if we want to get the largest value of, say, this one, this range, it is say 96 supposed to be the highest value and it is showing 96. And in case of minimum equal to min, you can write, if you know the function name, select the range of the cell and it will find out the minimum value for that particular range. 65 is the lowest, it is showing 65. After that you can select both together instead of doing one by one, and you can copy the formula to rest of the cells and you see for everyone maximum and minimum is found. Fine. So for finding maximum, max. For finding minimum, mean and the range of the cell. Finding total, we are writing sum. For finding average, we are writing average, and we are giving the range of the cells within the bracket. Clear, children?